starter on each one. Mark Nagel here, looks like he's going to be on the pole. Amy in the second row.
Yeah, I know. You just grabbed the wrong flag? No.
I get a little crowded and congested up here. You fire them up. Pull the starter out. Stay put. Stand straight up in the air. Because if you try to step in between a cart, you're going to get hit. We're going to be firing real quick here. Just taking the last pickup cart off of the track. Starters will be hitting inside the motors, spinning them over. It's a big field.
Very big.
A lot of these guys. 9, 10 of them.
Hang on. You're like so close. You're just like good to go. I gotta wait for the tower's command. That's all I'm waiting on.
I had mine. Okay. We can take both of one. I guess I'm just
What the tower's chattering at, anybody know who won historic? Did anybody see who got the checker on historic? That's what's slowing me down here. They're chattering.
It's Mark D'Elia or Tom Kelly, one of the two.
Mark D'Elia?
Or Tom Kelly.
Mark D'Elia or Tom Kelly is what I'm getting out of the grid. I asked who won historic, Mark D'Elia or Tom Kelly.
They'll know. They'll know.
One of the trainers bond.
She's got to close the race. That's what she's saying. She doesn't know who won because they didn't have a tag.
Fire!
Fire them up!
Fire them up! Here we go. Well, you're going to have to hustle and get lined up. Come on, you gotta hustle. Gotta hustle. Yeah. You guys know now. Gotta get lined up better. Kart duels can be a little fussy, so sometimes you just can't get out of the pit quick enough with this many of them, and one cart doesn't start or one cart doesn't get moving quick enough, then you know they can't get out. But looks like they'll get a lineup this time. Young man here calling for him to keep the pace down and get your noses even. Here we go this time. Everybody's into the corner hot. A lot of traffic. And of course everybody wants to hustle, so there you go. Like Mark Nagel's making use of his starting pole position.
Yeah, big.
of this tunnel here. This is a hot spot, man. Yeah, there was a pass down there at the corner from third back into second, so somebody's on the move. Not sure who's on the move. Maybe Amy Scoggins, maybe? Pass just went past Mark. Big check out. That front place kart put some distance on. Second place kart's on the move. You get one or two karts that just break away. But the real fun is being back in the pack and racing with some people. Yeah, you can be fast, well, this is going to be the stock appearing Sidewinder 100cc max. We got John Moore out here on the outside pole. Ben Nagel on the pole. Hey, here's my buddy.
How you doing?
And of course, you know, naturally,
Beavis and Butthead.
that's right. There may be some more back in even behind them. So this is a big class, really popular.
Maybe while you're starting, leave it up here.
And one of the more fun classes you can run.